Hey everybody, you don't want to look at me. I've been all around this truck getting greasy. It's in the afternoon. I've been out here since 6 a.m. So quit looking at me. There's better. Just give you guys an update. Yes, my GoPro has been overheating. That's why I got this rag over the top of it. That black gets hot and it gets overheated, and then you can't get the battery out. So yes, I have the timing cover plate off, and I have the back plate off. And what I wanted to update you guys with, these move my fingers out of your way. These gears, those are still white. The bushings on the inside, they're still white. But this big heavy one in the middle right here, it's showing brass, ladies and gentlemen. You see that? Showing brass. See it? So I ordered that. So I was gonna go ahead and put it back together, but because of that, that's a no. I mean, I'm not putting that back on there showing brass. I don't think that's a very, very intelligent move. Now on this water pump, ladies and gentlemen, as far as I know, when you do the minimum overhaul, you're required to replace the water pump. So that's being said, that's why that hose there looks fresh and it's not showing any age like the other ones did. Let me show you. Hold on, I'm trying to get something. So it's got some paint on it, but other than that, you don't see any cracking. She looks really well, and that would be within reasoning, because see, there's no age on there, so that's cool. But the reason why I bring that up is I was thinking about taking this thermostat housing off, since it's open right now to me. But when they overhauled it, they replaced the head. So in replacing the head, you know, they had this off. And so this only has like 250,000 miles on it. So I do have this new. I got a big tube of it. So two of them, blue one and that one. I'll replace this. I'll replace this hose, and this hose here, obviously, it's bad shape. I think it's just a return hose, overflow, return. But anyway, we'll replace that. I don't know what the deal is with this alternator cable coming off the alternator. It looks like it would just go right down to it, because here it is right here, but they got it. He's got an add-on to it. Sure, if I like that. So yes, I ordered the bushing that goes here, and I get that. We'll go ahead and get this cleaned up the rest of the way today before I go. Sorry, still recovering from being sick. Feeling much better today though. Still have some gasket material down here, a little bit right there, a little bit there, and over here I need to get off. And that's prepped and ready. That's pretty ready to go. I got all the screw holes all cleaned out. Things cleaned out. And that stud, by the way, isn't broken. I thought it was, but it isn't. So that's good. I'll need to clean this up. That's a mess. Get that cleaned up, knock that gasket out. Put in a new one. And I have the kit for this. It's in that box over there, the big kit. And then we'll need to clean this up. I think that my oil leak was coming from right here, from this O-ring, because if you see, look how wet it is around here. So That's where she was leaking, ladies and gentlemen. All down this side. So we got new O-rings. We'll put those in. Feel pretty hard. And actually, they still got a little bit of sponginess to them. Shouldn't have leaked, but they were. So we'll get this all cleaned up. Get all that 2,000 pounds of paint on there off. We'll get this cleaned up. It always leaks out of that for some reason. And then this is where the head is. There's a gasket that goes there. And I have the complete gasket kit in the house. We'll get this thing back together. I gave myself 3 weeks to get this job done. That's including getting my tires put on, but that won't take a few hours. They're not panic emergency bad, ladies and gentlemen. But I want to get them on. If you could see them, I can't see the camera. So they're not emergency bad, but I want to get them done for winter gets here and just get it out of the way. So that's my update, ladies and gentlemen. And stop looking at me. I know I look horrible. You guys have a wonderful day. Have lots of fun. Thanks for checking us out on Big Belly. You have a wonderful day. God bless. And later. Close my finger. Ooh.